All right, we're here at the Coronado Springs. I just checked in. Got a nice look at the lake. And here's the check-in. We're gonna walk into my room. My room is on the far side of the resort, so I'm gonna walk across this cool bridge. But this is nice. Cool bridge over the water. You can see the swan and dolphin over just behind over there. Alright, so this is the Villa del Lago restaurant right on the little lagoon or pond here. Looks very nice. They do a great job of recreating the Southwest. So, as you can tell, the resort is extremely large. It's a good walk. I still got a little ways to go. We're here at the Ranchos 7A and 7B. Alright, so I've got room, we're in room 7205. It's obviously an outside entry. Got a view of where we were walking up. Let's go in here. Over here. Let's get some lights on. Decent size, pretty standard stuff. This is nice. Got a nice little cabinet for hanging stuff up. So, pretty nice overall.